Yes, this is Lukwago Swali. I've been so much disheartened by a group of actual Moors within Democratic Republic of Congo on these streets of actual TikTok when they are actually promoting distorted information about the Bahema. Okay? Bahema people who are today in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay? Those are Rwandani Tutsi who traced their origin from Uganda and settled in Democratic Republic of Congo. Instead of calling themselves Bahema, again, they camouflaged Bahima. They camouflaged as Bahema. Where there was I in between H and M, they placed their letter E. Okay? They came from Uganda way back in the 19th century. Okay? But these are the Rwandani Tutsi pastoralists who were looking for water and pasture for their animals. Okay? They settled in Uganda. Instead of calling themselves Tutsi, they camouflaged to Bahima in order to settle in Ankole Kingdom. But the Omugabe of Ankole refused to recognize them. That's why up to today, Kairingu Museveni, who is a Tutsi, refused to recognize, to reinstate the Omugabe of Ankole because Barije from day one rejected him. He mobilized the people of Ankole not to support him on grounds that is a Rwandani Tutsi who's not part of the Ankole people. So, the Bahima, they are related to Basongola. Those are Rwandani Tutsis too. They are related to Bahororo. Those are Rwandani Tutsis too. They are also related to Tutsi who call themselves Bahima. Okay? So, that's why Museveni, his name is so sounding in the conflicts between Bahema, the Tutsi, and the Lendu, the indigenous. So, Kairingu Museveni actually he used the Kazini to analyze a lot of Lendu people in favor of Bahima. Those Rwandani Tutsi calling themselves Bahema. Straight from the years 1999. That's when actually the issue of Bahima and the Lendu started, the conflict. The Lendu are the original inhabitants of that Uturi area. But Kairingu Museveni and the Rwandani Tutsis sought that they would infiltrate Congo using the Bahema, the so-called Bahema, who are Tutsi. I've asked one ignorant Congolese woman. Actually, she has told me, she's called Bonagame. She has told me, I have my relatives from Bahema. Then her sister is saying that her ex-husband was a Bahema Tutsi. So, at times I refrain myself from being hosted by political novices of Ariba, but I had to respect one of my friends who actually invited me. But I was so much disheartened that people are, a part of Congolese people are falling into the traps of the manipulations of the what? The Tutsi people. Okay? It's not a crime for them to settle there, but it is incumbent upon us to let the people know that no, these are Tutsi people who are camouflaged, because for them they are good at camouflaging. That's the name. Buyiringu when they are many, Kairingu when is single. So, for as long as the so-called Bahema people traced their origin from Uganda, in Uganda we have no Bahema people. To make it clear to you, from Uganda to Congo, history makes it clear that they migrated from Uganda to Congo. In Uganda, they call themselves Bahima. We have no Bahima tribe in Uganda. The so-called Bahima, those are the Tutsi who came to Uganda way back in 1901, back at those days of Kabaka Daudi. He wrote a letter to Omugabe of Ankole. Who are these people who look like you? Then the Omugabo Vankore replied to the Kabaka Daudi that no, those are cattle keepers, pastorists who came from Rwanda looking for water and pasture for their what? For their animals. But they are just passerby. They are just passing by. They are heading wherever they will settle. Those are the people who settled in Congo, Uturi areas, today calling themselves Bahema. That is the history of the Bahema. Now they are causing mayhem. Wherever they go. Elsewhere, Banyamulenge. Elsewhere, Bahema. In Uganda, Bahima. In Uganda, Basongola. In Uganda, Bahororo. All of those are Rwandan Tutsis. So, our brothers and sisters, you Rwandan Tutsis, we accept the fact that you are cattle keepers, but refrain from being used to foment mayhem wherever you settle. Okay? You are creating enmity within people. You are inculcating hatred. Even I'm so much tired. I'm from a TikTok live. You can attest to that by the way I look. But I had to make this clear. Thank you so much. Congolese, do not allow political novices to be used to manipulate you like a Bonagani. I've talked to her. The girl was speaking with a very, very tough tone, in a way that signals that actually she's promoting a narrative. I'm doubting that woman. She's a younger girl in her late 30s perhaps, but she's so dangerous. She's so sophisticated. And it's only we who can tell who she is. But refrain from misinforming people about the history of the Great Lakes region, as well as the African history. The reason as to why we took time to study African history, more so African nationalism. Okay? Okay? Do not allow to be infiltrated. We should let people know who are the infiltrators. So, Bahema Atusi from Rwanda, the destabilizer of the Great Lakes region. I rest my case. Fami Fatah, they have just tipped me that you've got your ex-husband who actually was a Hematusi. Then why do you call him a Hematusi? Bonagani, you've attested to me that you have your relatives who are Bahima. Then you are Tusi. I've been grappling with you multiple times until when today you've confessed to me. I don't need rocket science to detect that you were Kairingu Tusi who's confusing Congolese. Okay. Hema in Congo trace their origin from Uganda. We've got no Hema tribe in Uganda. Those are Rwanda need Tusi Kamafuraja.